Hello and welcome back to Twisty Cuisine. Today we're bringing you pizza cup recipe, which is very easy to make, and these are small size pizza cups that you can eat as appetizers or during tea time. Let's get started. First we will marinate the chicken. For that we will need 2 small sized chicken breasts cut into very small pieces and add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1 tablespoon of soya sauce. After mixing it, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil in a pan and our marinated chicken in it. Stir it a little bit and then add 1 cup of water. Cover it and leave it until the water dries up, and then add half cup of heavy cream and half cup of cream cheese. Giving it a final mix with the cream, turn the stove off and we move on to the dough now. Take pizza dough. We are using the same pizza dough that we have used in our pizza video before. We will give the description of the video in the description box below. You can visit it to see how we made this pizza dough. Take each ball at a time and roll it out to make it into a circle. Now take the cupcake pan and grease it with a little bit of oil. Now place the dough. Add the prepared chicken. Add a little bit of crushed pepper according to your taste. This part is optional. Finally, cover it with generous amount of cheddar cheese. And then preheat the oven at 365 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake it for 20 to 25 minutes. These small delicious pizza cups are ready to be eaten at your appetizers or your snacks. Try them. Let us know in the comment section below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed yet to our channel, please do so and hit the bell icon to receive our new Twisty recipes every Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays. Thank you and goodbye.